Over here.
Over there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm just like the guy from Fifth Element. Is there a rag for you?
Hang on.
It is, it is. Oh, you got it. It's a car!
Right?
Okay. And then go. Oh, so I've been doing a lot compared to what you've been doing.
Yeah.
So, what do we do?
So we just start pushing it.
Ready? How does that steer?
Once you get moving, it's so hard.
Oh, yeah, this is crazy.
Now you gotta push your back in.
This is really cool. Alright, there's the forklift thing.
It's gonna hit there.
It's trying to drive over the forklift right now. Just by a little. Just barely. This is really cool that this does it. So you just push it. Is that a problem for you before? You're just gonna scoot up?
Uh-oh.
You have a little bit of room, but that's good.
Okay, so he's pushed towards you just a hair because we're gonna run over one of the stands over here.
Okay. Do I need to move the tripod now, though?
Maybe. Now the question is, will it fit between the wall panel?
Look at that, you're out. How exciting.
Maybe I'll leave this window down for this.
Okay. It's out. It looks cool. Look at that.
Let it warm up outside. Yeah, how about that?
Mm-hmm. It's nice and dusty.
So yeah, I think now let's go dig out the power washer, put the jacks away, So you got the power washer, wipe down that floor right there. Make sure that it's not all muggy, ugly.
Yeah.
So it's got,
Is it gonna be a problem with the exhaust blowing in here?
No, because we're outside.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go get some fuel because that thing is almost in the red. Well, I mean, it is in the red, so I'm bringing a jug to see if it makes it there. But we're gonna go get some gas. Yay! It drives. Alright, we're getting gas. We're getting gas. To fix the power washer, and so the reason why he's washing now is because he was having to fix it. Oh no, not my new stickers. Okay, he went around him. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, Dad and I are checking the computer systems with the VCDS controller thingy that plugs in down there. We're doing a scan just to make sure that the computer is good and that we can know the actual issues. That's so cool.
Yeah, so we might be able to clear these codes and see what's going on with them. Alright.
What is it saying?
8 faults found on the engine. Jeez. 245450 kilometers. Oh yeah, 152571. Okay, so this says 8 faults, engine start blocked by immobilizer, intermittent. Long-term fuel trim additive error, bank 1 range 2, system 2 lean intermittent. Rough road engine torque signal from ABS, electrical malfunction intermittent. Random multiple cylinder misfire detected, intermittent. Cylinder 1, misfire detected, intermittent.
So we just learned we didn't
Auto
plug in
trans,
the
no fault
airflow
codes.
sensor.
ABS brakes we knew about, airbags.
Yeah.
Kind of knew about, I guess.
That's because I'm sitting in the
Seatbelt
seat.
switch. Driver, seatbelt switch, passenger, resistance too high, voltage supply signal too low.
I think it's because we're sitting in the seats and not buckled.
Right.
Which is also why I think the airbag sensor.
Address 46 Central Conv. Don't know what that is. So then the question is, do we have a question?
Oh, sorry. I was just going to say that we're going to go for a drive in it to get the exhaust blown out, right?
Yeah, let's just see if it blows some evapes out.
Mm-hmm. So here we go. You ready? Whee! It drives real great.
Oh yeah.
It's going for it. Yeah, so we're taking this along for the ride to see what it says, right?
Yeah, so if you go back, I don't know, does it say something about back? God, I can't see any of that.
There's a copy, expand
So go to
window,
close. And then it'll say,
auto scan?
no. Let's go to applications. So I was just gonna see if I could find one that says, that has like a meter gauge where you can see kind of the performance of the engine running in like a metric like this.
Would that be activate transport mode?
No. Maybe read this.
Oh, because that's updating all the time? Is that what it's doing?
Yeah. So
Whoa.
that meter is a version of what I'm trying to say. Can we find that meter in the software so you can just see that?
Oh,
So
I
go
see.
to that and read that document by
Okay,
behind there.
so then Oh.
We cleared the intermittent cylinder 1 and the intermittent cylinder 4.
Yeah.
And all of those 8 engine codes were cleared once we plugged in that mass airflow sensor. So
Oh,
that was
great.
yeah.
Okay, good. So all of the misfirings was just because of that.
Everything. See all the other things up here, the ECS and EPS.
Wow,
And all the other
one
stuff, all
plug for
right.
all of that.
So we might have one evap doohickey that might be a piece of junk still.
Yeah.
I was leaving the AC off when we accelerated.
Yeah, I was just turning up the fan.
So the fact that it turned on, and from what I can tell, it's cold.
Well, I mean, yeah. So this thing is on live data, and it's running right now, is what it says. Like up in that corner.
Okay, so then do we need to click on...
That's what I was going to ask you. Is readiness, read data, freeze frame, current DTC, clear.
Read data.
Read data.
And you have to select what data to read.
Okay.
Jeez.
All these people trying to turn. Oh my gosh. That's comedic. Okay. It's trying to load, but I feel like it might be unhappy with us traveling. I don't know. Alright, so we're also testing out the speedometer thing. That thing. Because I always believed when I was driving this that this was going either 5 miles under or 5 miles over. And so Dad is helping me figure out if with the smaller wheel, if it's going faster or what. Just because of the circumference of the wheel isn't what it was originally made to be.
Right, and I would say that it's showing as faster on the speedometer than it actually is going in real life. Because the tires are smaller, so they're going around faster.
Mm-hmm. Which makes sense.
Right here.
Yeah.
It kicks on that.
So that's the auto slip regulator, basically the ABS, remember?
Okay. Yeah.
So that reduces the
so
hold
I
back.
corrected this. Now it's gonna go full out.
Yeah, so that basically just doesn't hold back when you press the accelerator.
Right.
Which we used to call launch mode, you and I, when we first got the car.
Yeah.
Which was not probably the best idea for a 16-year-old.
Well, yeah, we're so we're running AC with that thing off, so we cleared it, so that's fine.
Mm-hmm. It's just telling you that it's off.
Rush hour traffic. So.
Yeah. In Colorado, there's no really other options for speedy roads.
I would feel comfortable driving to Greeley with this.
Yeah?
Throw the jump charger in the back.
You think we'd need the jump charger?
My mom's car.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we should do that. Maybe Friday, or do you want to do that today?
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Very nice.
Nice.
Very nice. Look how pretty it is, though.
W.
What?
W. That's the view that you pay for out here.
Oh, yes, it is.
You pay dearly with your life.
With almost your soul for a lot of people.
Right.
Look how pretty it all is. That restaurant up there is really good to eat at because you can sit outside with that pretty view. With the sunset and all that.